Having seen hundreds of luxury homes, I can tell you that most of them have at least one downfall. It's either the house, the location, or the backyard. But when you catch a home that has amazing location, home and backyard, that becomes a must-see. Hey beautiful people, Andrew the Realtor here, and a warm welcome to 94 Roberson Drive. Sitting here in this beautiful area of Riverside, arguably the best area of Ajax or possibly all of Durham region. This location boasts a perfect blend of quiet and privacy while only being a few minutes away from the nearest grocery store. Plus you got the 401, 407, Kingston Road and the GO train only minutes away. You can even drive to downtown Toronto in less than an hour. In the immediate area, the Riverside Golf Course is only a few hundred feet behind the home. There are great schools and parks within walking distance, and all the amenities are only a few minutes away, all while you're living in a quiet, safe street with no through traffic. Okay, so amazing location, but you also have here an amazing home. As you pull up, you'll notice the curb appeal right away, highlighted by the brand new magic windows, brand new doors, and professional landscaping, while at the same time also having the 6-car driveway and a massive 3-car climate-controlled garage. And as we go into the home, that theme of aesthetic appeal and functionality continues. Let's go have a look. This being a luxury custom-built home, the focus of the layout is to maximize functionality. So you got this large foyer and a huge jacket closet, and then it leads right into this living room with a custom stone fireplace, which then leads to this enormous formal dining room. Huge kitchen and family room. You'll notice something as you walk through the home. Since it's located in the midst of such natural beauty, it's only right that you find tons of windows and therefore tons of natural light everywhere. So you've got great views from every room in the house. And speaking of great views, here you've got this amazing luxury custom-built chef's kitchen. On one side, nothing but windows to see the beautiful backyard and the forest behind that. On the other side, you got this huge custom-built island, and on the wall, custom cabinetry, coffee maker, double oven, KitchenAid fridge. Basically, this is one of those kitchens that, while good on video and pictures, you have to see in person. No great luxury home is complete without a large laundry room and mudroom. And here we are in this massive 3-car garage. So it's climate controlled. You got insulated garage doors, a special coating on the floor that works in either heat or cold. And it's got this amazing custom storage system on every wall. For anyone who's felt the tightness of a 1 or 2-car garage, buddy, this is it. Okay, we're back in the home. This brand new staircase leads us to the massive second floor. The 3 additional bedrooms are all very large with huge closets and have a full bathroom nearby. But the crown jewel is the master suite. Welcome to the master bedroom, or perhaps oasis is the better word. What you got here is an open concept suite that puts 5-star hotels to shame. You start here with the sleeping quarters, which lead to another custom stone fireplace and dressing room, and even there you'll find a huge window, so you're never left without natural light. Back to the spa side of the master suite, again you'll notice the enormous windows and the beautiful view from every angle of the forest in the backyard. In fact, on a nice warm day, if you open the windows, you can actually hear the waterfall, and it's incredibly serene. The gorgeous custom bathtub, sauna, enormous shower, the double sink, and the water closet round out the spa experience. It's really luxury living at its best. Coming down to this amazing basement apartment, you'll find that even here, you can see tons and tons of natural light. On one side, you got 2 bedrooms, which can easily be bedrooms, offices, and the far room can make an amazing theater room. On the other side, you'll find a large living area, complete with a full kitchen, island, living room, small office, laundry room, and a huge bathroom. The walkout exit even boasts a heated floor. It's a complete in-law suite at the least. And finally, if the location and the home wasn't enough, we end up here in the third part of that luxury home trifecta, an amazing backyard. You'll find few better than this. Backs onto a ravine, which itself backs onto the golf course. You've got interlock brick, beautiful hot tub, pool, and privacy and quietness. It's a kind of thing you have to absolutely see in person, not just in video. As always, I'm Andrew the Realtor. I want to thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned to the next one. If you have any questions about this property, the area, maybe even your own home, all my information is at the bottom of the video. Give me a shout.